season of huge expectations for the Jacksonville Jaguars fittingly begins the largest media market in all the land. MetLife Stadium is the venue. Jags and Giants to kick off the 2018 NFL season.
Hey man, not a whole lot needs to be said. Everybody knows what this is about. It's our first opportunity to make a first impression. Let's make sure we set the tempo for what this season's about to be about. Fly around, have fun, let's stay together no matter what.
All day today. Started off right. We prepared for moments like this. The big stage, the big apple, they say, huh? Let's go then.
Week 1 in the NFL. Where else would you rather be? Where else would you rather be?
Hey, let's start fast. Start fast, stay locked in, start fast, and shut them off.
2 right, 1 left, shotgun for Bortles. He drops to throw, looking downfield, fires deep downfield. Got Keelan Cole out there. Keelan makes a lunging catch, a terrific catch by Keelan Cole near midfield. First down, Jacksonville. A 31-yard gain.
Boy, what a throw, though. Blake Bortles, I mean, that is right on the outstretched fingertips of Keelan Cole. I mean, you couldn't have thrown the ball better than that.
All right, this will be a 39-yarder from the left hash. He gets it down. Lambeau kicks it up. And the kick is good. A 39-yard field goal starts the scoring here. And Jacksonville is taking the lead, 3-0. Bortles drops, looks, fires along the left sideline. That ball is picked off. Janoris Jenkins picked it off along the left sideline. He was trying to get it to Dante Moncrief. The hold is down. Rosas kicks it up. And the field goal is good.
We ain't feeling this one out. We're going down scoring.
Blake drops the throw. Fires middle of the field. Wide open as D.D. Westbrook makes a catch. That's the first down inside the 40-yard line of the Giants, all the way down to near the 37-yard line. Dropping the throw with Bortles. Looks. Fires again. Wide open is Westbrook again. That's going to be a first down near the 20-yard line. Another crossing route to D.D. Westbrook. Back-to-back plays to D.D. First down to the 20 after a 17-yard gain. Inside handoff to Yeldon. Burst out of there. Yeldon to the 5-yard line. Still on his feet. Lunging for the goal line. T.J. Yeldon is going to knock him, or they're going to mark him down near the 1-yard line. A terrific run by T.J. Rolling is Bortles. Fires for Yeldon in the corner of the end zone. Caught. Touchdown. A 1-yard touchdown pass from Bortles to T.J. Yeldon, and the Jags extend the lead here at MetLife Stadium. Nice job. I got you already.
One play at a time, going 3 and out of turnover. 3 and out of turnover. 3 and out of turnover.
Four-man front for Jacksonville, 4 wide for Eli Manning. He drops the throw. He is going to get hit. He's going to get sacked. Lorente McCray got him that time. Remember, he's playing because Dante Fowler is out. He's playing in that nickel. McCray got him back inside the 30-yard line. Second down from the 19, dropping the throw is Manning. Pump fake, he gets hit, and he's going to get sacked. The Jags get him again, this time near the 25-yard line. Calais Campbell got him. And that'll be a sack for Jacksonville.
And Calais Campbell is a beast.
We have played 30 minutes. Jacksonville 13, New York 6. Second down and 10. Jags from their own 8-yard line. Blake keeps it on his own read. He's got a lot of room. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Blake Bortles at a 45, runs out of bounds near midfield. What a great play by Blake Bortles. He kept it on the zone read and got it all the way out to the 49-yard line. A 41-yard gain by Blake Bortles.
What a run. What a run. And, you know, he's not the prettiest runner in the world, but he might be one of the most effective runners to ever play the quarterback position.
Nice job. Hey, we needed that series. That was a huge series for us right there. We need to come back. We need a takeaway, though, right? We got to get one. We got to get a takeaway.
Throws Manning. Ball's tipped up into the air. It is picked off. It is picked off by Miles Jack. To the 10, to the 5, into the end zone. Touchdown. Miles Jack got a pick 6, and Jacksonville has extended the lead here at MetLife Stadium.
One of the best, and he don't get enough credit on my mama.
I'm trying to live up to it, bro. I'm trying to live up to it.
What a big-time play, and it all starts. Eli Manning steps up and throws it, and I believe it's Avery Jones tips it up into the air, right into the hands of Miles Jack.
Let's tell him, bro.
Let's not let up.
Let's tell him.
That's all right here.
I said Fofo like that.
Inside handoff to Barkley. He made a man miss. Broke a tackle into the open field to the 40. Along the right sideline. Does he stay in bounds? Yes, he did. Saquon Barkley is going to go the distance. Wow. Saquon Barkley just went 68 yards to try and make it a 3-point game with 10:39 to play. Shotgun. They hand it to Barkley again. He tries to power his way, and he did not get there. So the 2-point conversion is no good, 20-15.
We don't panic, we just stay calm. At times, let's just see what happens that next play.
4th and 6 from the 36. 1:55 to play. Manning drops out of a shotgun. Look, steps up. He's hit. Fires to the right side. That ball is incomplete. It is knocked away. Incomplete. DJ Hayden had the coverage on Shepard, and the Jags are going to take over on downs. Great work by the Jaguars defense.
Wow, what a play by Hayden, and what a gutsy call by Todd Wash.
High snap, handles it, gets the punt away. Clay will field it. Now the ball's fumbled. The ball is out. Payne tried to get on top of it. I think Jacksonville recovered it, and that'll do it. That'll do it. Jacksonville has recovered the fumble. Jacksonville takes over. They're going to take a knee and win the game here in New York.
That's game, baby.
Nice job, Lambo. Hell of a job, man. Hell of a job.
That was it right there. Still been running. We said battle tested, man. You feel me? We said they could have beat one of us. They tried to call flags and said to beat one of us, but all together now they can't do it, bro. Week in and week out, 1-0. We got a tip on our shoulder now. Let's go now. Team on 3. 1, 2, 3, team.